Chapter 62, Friday. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth glorifies Allah, the King, the most sacred, the Almighty, the All-Wise. It is He who sent among the unlettered ones a messenger from among themselves, reciting to them His verses, purifying them, and teaching them the book and wisdom. And surely before they were in manifest error. And He has also sent Him to others among them who have not yet joined them. And Allah is the Almighty, the All-Wise. That is the grace of Allah, which He bestows upon whom He wills. And Allah is the owner of mighty grace. The likeness of those who were entrusted with the obligation of the Torah, but who then failed in those obligations, is as the likeness of a donkey who carries huge burdens of books, but understands nothing from them. How wretched is the example of a people who deny the proofs, signs, and revelations of Allah. And Allah does not guide the people who are polytheists, wrongdoers, and disbelievers. Say, O Muhammad, O you Jews, if you pretend that you are the chosen people of Allah, to the exclusion of all other mankind, then long for death if you are truthful. But they will never long for death, because of the deeds their hands have sent before them. And Allah knows well the polytheists, wrongdoers, and disbelievers. Say to them, surely the death from which you flee will surely meet you. Then you will be sent back to Allah, the all-knower of the unseen and the seen, and He will tell you what you used to do. O you who believe, when the call is proclaimed for the prayer on the day of Friday, come to the remembrance of Allah and leave your trading. That is better for you, if you only knew. Then when the prayer is finished, you may disperse through the land and seek the bounty of Allah, and remember Allah much, that you may be successful. And when they see a bargain or some amusement, they disperse headlong to it, and leave you, Muhammad, standing. Say, that which Allah has is better than any amusement or merchandise, and Allah is the best of providers.
Please subscribe to our channel. Kindly like, share, and comment on our videos. If anyone benefits because of your like and share, then God may provide you with unlimited reward, which is called Sadaqat al-Jariyah in Islam. Sadaqat al-Jariyah is continuous rewards received for good actions, deeds, and spreading knowledge. It is a gift that not only benefits us in this life, but also benefits us and our loved ones in the hereafter. According to the hadith of the Prophet, peace be upon him, narrated by Muslim, when a person dies, all the deeds end except three: a continuing charity, beneficial knowledge, and a child who prays for them.